Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 25th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked out here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the yen again still pretty slow overall, but it definitely is drifting up. It definitely is making higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Definitely trending up. Now, I would recommend longs as long as it doesn't break the higher low series. If it goes down and breaks that higher low series, I would definitely start looking for shorts again at the end of pullbacks. I wouldn't start going short until I saw a break of structure and then a pullback, but if it doesn't do that, then any move I see to the downside, I would be looking at as possibly an opportunity to go long again, as long as it doesn't break this higher low, higher low, higher low series that we've been getting. You know, a trend is your friend. So as long as it continues to trend, I would just continue to look for longs every single chance we got. I still think there is a chance that maybe this is going to end up stretching out and making a wave three over the next several weeks, possibly in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C on the much higher time frames. So that's why I think that we definitely want to continue to look for longs on these sort of time frames. We're looking for pullback entries for the continuation of possibly a wave three of wave C. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.